Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Govind Narayan Purohit, wherein we are discussing about many facets of theriogenology. And in our today's talk, I will be showing you the video of the camel mating. The camel mating is interesting. It occurs in the sitting position during the breeding season. The female sits and the male also sits. An interesting feature of the camel mating is that the penis of the camel, which is directed caudally when the camel urinates, but during the mating, when the camel sits, the muscles relax and the penis is directed cranially to be introduced in the female's vagina. The mating occurs in the sitting position. And friends, thanks to all those who have subscribed to my channel. And if you have not already subscribed, kindly do subscribe so that you get our videos very fast. So friends, let us have a look. How does the camel mating actually occurs? So this is the video taken at the National Research Center on Camel at Bikaner. The male stud is brought, the female is sitting and the male is brought nearer to the female. So let us have a look. You can see here the male camel is sitting and now the penis is directed cranially because of the relaxation of the muscles, and then the mating occurs while the camels are sitting in the sand. Sometimes the handler helps in the mating, and the camels produce a typical gurgling sound. You can see here the penis of the camel being introduced in the female's vagina and the female biting the camel during the mating. The male is giving the thrust. You can see here. The female biting the male camel during the mating. Sometimes the nomads, they push the camel, helping the camel to perform the mating. Now the male will get down and stand up. So friends, kindly watch the video completely, share the video, give your comments, suggestions, and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Govind Narayan Purohit if you like it. Thank you so much.